Hello everyone, this is PTE Mehta from Vision Universes. Guys, I hope you are doing well in this pandemic. Due to this coronavirus outbreak, there are a few changes done at the Pearson test centers which all test takers should take a note of. And in this video, I'm going to share about the changes which are important and the test takers who are planning to write the exam in the coming week or month should know about. First, the most crucial change is wearing the mask. If you are planning to write the exam, then you have to compulsorily wear the mask. So you should know about how to wear the mask and which mask is the good one so that your speaking recorded appropriately. Second change is limited students are allowed to book the test. For example, if there are space for 10 students, then only 5 students are permitted to take the test. So the number of workstation test centers have only half students are allowed to take the test to maintain the social distancing. Third, and the important changes also done in the scorecard. The layout of the scorecard is totally changed. In past, it was looking like this and now it looks like this. You can see on the screen. Moving forward, now we will discuss about the mic position along with the mask. Because an ideal mic position is very crucial. I believe that the right mic position will definitely get you to the right score and the wrong mic position will put all your efforts into vain. So knowing the right mic position with the mask is very crucial. Despite the fact that you are perfect in speaking, you may struggle to get even 10 or 20 marks due to incorrect mic position. So now let's learn about the ideal mic position. Before explaining that, I will tell you why mic position is very crucial. First thing, when we talk, most people have the habit of blowing out air from their mouth or sometimes they blow out air from their nose. So your mic position will vary from person to person, and here we will talk about the mic position which will work for most of the students. Right, now I will show you. This is not the headphone which you will get in your exam. I will show you that later on the screen. Right now, I will just explain you the ideal mic position by using this headphone. Now, this is my headphone. I'll place it like this. And this is my mic. So, first of all, you need to know that you don't have to keep this mic towards your mouth. You have to keep it a bit far. Like, it should not be straight or parallel to your lips. It should be somewhere between your chin or your lips, somewhere like here, right? Because when you keep it like that, if you keep it towards your mouth or parallel to your lips, then definitely your breathing sound will get into the microphone, and that will hinder or distract your voice exactly from what you are saying, and it will be very complicated for computer to understand, and that will definitely affect your score. So you don't have to keep your mic parallel to your lips or below to your chin. It should be somewhere between your lips or your chin, somewhere like that, which I have already shown you. Now, second thing which you need to take care of while setting your mic position is you have to make sure that your mic is not too far from your mouth or it is not too close. Because if it is too far, then your audibility will discuss, and if it is too close, then your voice will break. It will not be that clear. You can try that at your home also, you will understand. So I will show you how you have to do that. You have to ignore such position. I have seen many students, they are holding the mic like this, and sometimes they keep their mic too far so that to prevent their speaking from disturbance. And sometimes they keep it below the chin. That's completely wrong. If anyone suggests you, please ignore that practice because that will definitely affect your speaking score. You have to keep it at a distance of 4 fingers. Your ideal mic position is between your lips and chin, and it should be at a distance of your 4 fingers so that your voice will be very clear. There will be no breathing sound, no disturbance, and whatever you will speak will get recorded very flawlessly, right? So this is an ideal position. If you have any doubt, you can comment and you can ask me. After setting your mic position, now you will get the option to record your voice and play it back. So when you will do that, you will see the instruction on the screen that you have to test your microphone by saying testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So there are only 5 words that will not give you clear idea about your speaking. So I will not suggest you to speak just testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. That you can try, but apart from that, because your modules are read aloud in which you are going to speak almost 3 or 4 sentences. Your second module is repeat sentence, in which you will get a sentence of more than 10 words or 13 words. So again, there is a lengthy sentence. So you have to try speaking such things which you are going to do actually in your speaking. So you should try speaking lengthy sentences, because lengthy sentences will give you idea that your breathing sound is not there, how much audibility you have while speaking, how much voice clarity is there. So if you will speak lengthy sentences, then only you will get to know about it. So you can read any sentences given on the screen, or you can prepare any sentences which you can try for a mic testing. That's all. Now, as I already told you in the beginning of the video, that now due to COVID-19 outbreak, you have to wear the mask while giving your speaking test. So how to wear the mask and what kind of mask is perfect so that your voice will get recorded 100% of what you're speaking. So I will show you 3 different types of mask first, and you have to select the right one. Usually in the market you will see surgical mask, N95 mask, and very thick mask with a cylinder over here. I won't suggest students, please don't use such type of mask for your speaking or this PTE test. There are 3 masks that I will show you. Now this is the mask. This is we can call N95 mask, but this is very thick. So your voice will not get 100% recorded. Then this is the disposal mask, which is available in the market at very low cost. So when you speak, someone have the habit of throwing out saliva from their mouth. So it will turn wet and it will get into your mouth. So that will create disturbance in your speaking. So I will suggest you to wear a cotton thin layered mask, cotton mask. That will be very appropriate. Your voice will get 100% recorded, because most of my students have tried that. Now you have to wear 2 things. One is your mask and second is your headphone. But if you have numbers, like I am wearing the glass, so I have to put 3 things on my ears before starting my test. So first, if you're having glass, then you have to wear your glass first. And if you don't have glasses, then you have to wear your mask first. I have glass, so I have already worn that. Now I will wear my mask. After keeping it properly with the glass, I will fix it with the glass. And then I will wear my headphone. After doing proper setting, now see, if you will speak, you will blow air out, so that will be seen on the screen. So you will not be able to read what is given on the screen. So you can do it slightly like this, so the air goes out, not into the glasses. Fine. Now you have to set the mic position also accordingly before checking your microphone volume and everything, your sound audibility and all. Once you do that, then only you are supposed to start your test. Now this is the ideal position, wearing the mask, wearing the glass and the headphone. And if you don't have numbers, you have to wear the mic, you have to wear the mask first, and then you have to wear your headphone. So hope you are clear about what kind of mask you have to wear, as well as how to put the microphone after wearing the mask. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was informative to you if you are planning to write the exam in coming week or in the coming month. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching again. Bye.